Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a Beebeecraft unboxing, and I will link Beebeecraft down on the description below, as well as all the items I received, and I will also have a discount code. Also, you guys, Beebeecraft has a YouTube cooperation. So if you make videos here on YouTube, you have over 100 subscribers and you are willing to make videos for them, I will link that link down on the description below, so you could go ahead and check them out over for their cooperation and collab with them. So let's go ahead and see what we got. So there we go. And then, so as you guys know, everything is always well packaged. It usually comes in a little poly envelope like this, and then it also gives you a list of the items that you received. So here is the list, and it just, some of them will tell you a set and the yards or a piece or a box. So let's go ahead and see what we got. So I got this, and this is, I believe, like the wine rings. I think that's what they're called. Let me see. There isn't a name on here, but it will be on the description below. So I got these rings, and let's go ahead and check them out. So there you go. Oops. Let's go ahead and pull this out. And there are different sizes in here. And this is what you get, and you get them in this cute container. And they're in this baggie when you receive them, which is awesome. So this is what I got, and I believe it's 3 different sizes. So it's that one, and this one. Let me see. Yeah, I think there might be, let me see. You guys, there's a few sizes in here. So these are some of the sizes that you will get, and I can't wait to work with this. I already have an idea. So hopefully it works out, and I will come along back with a project share later on, so you get to see what I created with their product. So there's one, and then this, oh my gosh, I've been wanting to get this for a while. And you guys, these are in different colors. As you guys can see, you have like a bunch of different colors, and these are for the middles of the flowers, you know, when you create flowers. And these are the middle, the things that go in the middle. So these are the colors, and none of the colors are repeated. Some may look alike, but they are not repeated. Like these look, this is the darker pink, and this is a lighter pale pink, and this is a lighter pale pink, and this is like more of a yellowish color. This is a white, and this is like an ivory. This is like a green color, and this is more like a gray color. Here is a light blue, a darker blue, a dark blue, and here is another dark pink right here. And then you have a black one, and then you have a red, and then you have a greenish, and you have a purple. So look at you guys, this is amazing. Look at all these. So I can't wait to make more flowers so I could put these in there. Oh my goodness, so there you go. And then we also have this, and you guys, I've always been iffy about trying to get dyes that I've never worked with. So I am very hopeful and excited that all this will work out the way I want it to. And these are butterflies. This is a butterfly dye. So you guys know, as you guys may know, you might know me, I love butterflies. So this is a butterfly bow, so I can't wait to work with it. I will definitely tell you guys if it worked for me, if it didn't, and you guys know I do not lie. I am honest about what I receive and what I use, so we'll see. So I can't wait. So this is a dye. Oh my goodness. And I've never had a dye that's been lifted like that. Usually it has the foam around it, but hey, it's worth a try. And then I also got this trim. Oh my goodness. This is such a cute trim. It's flowers, and I believe this is 5 yards. believe I saw it here. Yeah, it's 5 yards. And look at you guys. Oh, isn't that cute? OMG. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. So you get 5 yards of this, you guys. So I will link, like I said, everything down in the description below. You guys go over, check out Beebeecraft. They have amazing sales. They always having new items on sale. So go over, check them out, and thank you everybody. And like I said, I will link everything down in the description below, as well as the coupon code. And we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.